The Winnipeg Jets are proud to select from Frölunda, Sweden, Daniel Torgersson.
So Daniel Torgersson, that's right, the left winger from Frölunda, off to a good start in the National in 2020-21. 7 points in his first 6 games. And Reader, this is a guy who, again, had a good season last year and building off it this year.
He had a great season. He played in the Super Elite, which is the U20 league in Sweden. It's a step below, and this is where players will go from the U20s. They step right up into the SHL, and he plays in Frölunda, and Frölunda is a storied franchise. There are plenty of players who have come out of Frölunda. They are one of the top teams in the senior level in Sweden. This young player is 6'3". One of the things mentioned about him is he competes. When you're 6'3" and you compete and you've got skill and you put up 44 points in 39 games, 26 of these being goals, then guess what? The Winnipeg Jets have just got some size. They've got a goal scorer. I like Torgersson. This is a good pick. He's a big player who's mobile, who can skate, and you can't have enough goal scoring on your team. The Winnipeg Jets, I mean, that's all we talk about with Winnipeg. They've got plenty of offense up front. A lot of people really thought this was a draft that Winnipeg was going to really focus on defense. They've taken the best player available. They've got a player who can compete, can score goals, and who is playing at a very high level right now. And he will play with Frölunda in the SHL this year.